5 fundamentals for the week: Fed fears, non-farm payrolls, Middle East promise, an explosive week. April ends with a bang in the Japanese yen, and May kicks off with the world's most powerful central banker taking the stage. In a turbulent week, several key scheduled events and also crossing headlines are to watch out for. Here are 5 fundamentals for the week. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. Yen intervention reverberations. Over 500 pips have shifted on Japanese yen crosses within hours on Monday in what seems like an intervention to strengthen the yen. A bank holiday in Japan meant lower liquidity and extra hours for officials at the Ministry of Finance in Tokyo. Where next for the yen from here? Near-zero interest rates in Japan hobble any efforts to shore up its value, but several moves in markets may burn some speculators, potentially leading to a bet in favor of the battered currency. Middle East at a crossroads. Are Israel-Hamas negotiations close to a breakthrough? The row between 2 Israeli ministers about a deal whose details are unclear is evidence that talks are making some progress. A ceasefire would hurt oil, as the risk of disruptions would diminish, and also gold, which has benefited from tensions since Hamas attacked Israel on October 7. It would be good news for stocks. However, talks could fizzle as they have in recent months. In case the status quo continues, oil and gold would enjoy a bump up without major moves. Hawkish pivot at the Fed. Wednesday, 18:00 GMT. No longer a bump in the road that was Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's message in his latest remarks about inflation. The Consumer Price Index has beaten estimates 3 times in a row, a fact that can be ignored. But what about the Fed's favorite gauge? The bank focuses on core personal consumption expenditure inflation data, which uses a more flexible methodology. It has dropped, but far from enough. Non-farm payrolls to defy gravity again. Friday, 12:30 GMT. Immigration is filling some of America's labor shortages. That is the best explanation for the massive expansion of the U.S. labor market, which rarely disappoints. In the past 12 months, headline non-farm payrolls missed estimates only 3 times. The last was in October 2023. ISM Services PMI to have the final word of the week. Friday, 14:00. The show is not over after the non-farm payrolls. The ISM Services PMI due 90 minutes after the NFP has the final say, and it may unleash strong volatility. Investors hang on to forward-looking surveys and adhere to their guidance, even though they are only soft data and not hard evidence. The list above focuses on 5 fundamentals to watch, but there are other economic indicators, as well as end-of-month flows. I recommend trading with care, especially around the Fed decision, but also when it comes to the yen or geopolitical headlines. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.